direction. Many ways to freedom are through deception. Contemplating my purpose on this earth, pain often tries to overflow through my soul. That's when I call on my Redeemer to take control. His words bring peace to my agony, peace to my soul. This journey of life is to build a testimony to save souls. Take a leap in faith and be bold. Hallucinations and sensations of heaven take me on a natural high. My Father has become the center and love of my life. I write to please my King. He gives me sweet words to sing. Every morning I thank him for saving me by his grace, for loving me endlessly. Without him there is no me. He is the air I breathe. Without him my life would be stale, a slave to myself, my soul would yell. Nothing in life we go through is in vain. My Redeemer will deliver you from your pain, build you up to soar higher like a plane, like an eagle free, so you can shed the light of love on everybody, so they too can be free. Break the chains of bondage that have people held hostage. The price for freedom has already been paid. Let my Father use you in his delivering ways. Love always eases the pain. Love is food to my soul. Everyone needs it. Everlasting love comes from the sky. You can't see it, but you can feel it. A wildfire burns in me. Supernatural joy overtakes me. I keep it real. He heals. The devil kills. Jesus is the seal to my soul. Surrender to him if you want a new life that brings fulfillment and joy. Give your life to him. He will make everything all right. Treat you like a king. For my ladies like a queen. He promises